talking about what types of videos we're going to be using. So once we decided how we're going to source the videos, basically, what kind of videos are we going to be sourcing? What I mean is, if you decide to search on YouTube, what are you going to search on YouTube for? So here are some examples to keep in mind. We're going to be using, for this method, you can use viral videos, which work out really well for traffic, but they're not always targeted. So you may find, for example, a video that's really funny and gets shared a lot. So people who find the video amusing will love to share it and make it go viral, but it's not necessarily going to talk about the business. So it's just good for traffic. Of course, proof videos work out really well. If you don't have any proof of your own because you just started, then you might want to look for proof from some of your teammates, other members in your organization, and grab one of their videos and put it on your profile for now until you get your own proof. Motivational videos work really well because they reach out to people emotionally, and they just love good stuff. They love being motivated and inspired. So using videos like that will help you get a lot of engagement as well. Lifestyle videos work out really well, especially if you have a lifestyle that you can share with others. That's very exciting. If you're someone that's always traveling or doing some kind of exotic sport or something like that, whatever it is you're doing, if you're out there basically doing something that people would enjoy to do if they had that life, then you need to find a video or record your own video and post it on your Facebook, obviously. How-to videos work out really, really well because you're helping people, you're giving them value, you're teaching them something. So it's a great way to get people to friend request you, to follow you. Also, when you're doing a how-to video and you're training someone, you're most likely going to get the person to stay to the very end of the video if they're actually learning something that they can apply in their life or their business. So great way to get engagement and to create a good following with people if you're actually teaching them something and giving them value. Demo or explainer videos are almost the same as how-to videos, except with how-to videos you're teaching someone how to do something. With a demo or explainer video, you're basically showing them how something works, whether it be some software or some kind of training that you're promoting or talking about or trying to sell. Then obviously logging into the training, showing people what they would receive once they go ahead and make the purchase is a good explainer video. Also, if you're promoting some kind of software or something like that, obviously using the software yourself and then demoing out in a video works out really great if you're trying to make some affiliate sales selling it. And also, last but not least, you don't want to always be someone that's about any product or service or just trying to sell something. Family outing videos work out really good as well when it comes to winning your audience over, because aside from the money that you're making or trying to make, you also want to show people a different side of you, which is more family oriented, because then it comes down to, okay, so he's making all this money or whatever, she's making all this money, what do they do with their time with this money? And what you're actually doing is just painting a picture and showing people what kind of person you really are outside of the business. And that helps with authority, that helps with building trust, and also people start to love you because they see that you're not just about one thing and you're actually a good human being. So of course, family outing videos work out really well. If you take your kids to the park, or you guys are doing dinner, or you're celebrating, it doesn't have to be anything really crazy or out of this world, but just showing people that you're family oriented and you're just out there having a good time. A good example would be, like, let's say if something in the middle of the afternoon where most people are stuck at work or at some kind of position, they're just not comfortable, and then they see that you're out there with your family, doing things that they would love to do. It's going to definitely bring some awareness into your life. So with that said, these are the kind of videos that I prefer to use. Of course, in the previous lesson, we went through basically the kinds of videos we're going to be using. So just pair that up with some of the topics, like you see right here, the videos we're going to use, and this will be great for your Facebook marketing. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.